In this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin with a credit card on Coinbase. To do this, simply go and open up Coinbase, and what you want to do first is click on the search bar and find Bitcoin. Now once you have Bitcoin opened up, go and click on buy and sell, and then click buy crypto with cash. Now here the most important part is to click on pay with, and then from there, if you already have a card, you can go and select it from here. If not, click add a payment method in the bottom, and then select a credit or debit card. And then here, in order to link your card, simply go and enter your card details. So enter your card number, the expiration date, as well as the CVC code, and from there click on add card. Now after you add the card, again click pay with, and then it will show up as a payment method right here. Now for this example I'll go with PayPal, but you just want to select the credit card. Then choose how much you want to buy, for example 50 euros worth of Bitcoin, and then click review order. And from there you will then be able to click on buy now, and then it will be deducted from your credit card and the Bitcoin will be directly bought on your Coinbase account. So that's how to buy Bitcoin with a credit card on Coinbase. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.